Welcome back, guys. So this is going to be part 3 of my Diamond Art Club unboxing because I got 3 paintings and I wanted to space them out over the 3 weeks that my kids are going to be here. So if you missed the first 2, go back and watch those because I already unboxed Chupa and Wisdom. So now we are going to unbox or take a look at, it's already been unboxed, but I haven't opened it yet. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the 3rd one that I got. And are you guys ready to see which one this is? This is my Diamond Art Club Sweet Purple. So this is Sweet Purple, guys. Isn't she cute? Purple is my favorite color, so I couldn't resist. I love her purple hair and just everything about her. And she kind of reminds me of one of my BJD dolls that I have. So yeah, I had to get her. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. How are you guys doing? Having a good summer? I am going to have my kids, like I said, for 3 weeks. They're going to arrive later today. So I'm not sure what if we're going to even do anything, or if it's just going to be like a staycation. Hang on, guys. I'm trying to get into her. Oh, there we go. Had to do that off camera. But let's go ahead and get this out. And we will take a look at what we have. Is that everything? Yep. I had to look inside the box. All right. So like I said, go watch my other 2 videos. I unboxed Chupa and Wisdom. And this is the 3rd one that came with this package. And she is called Sweet Purple. And once again, I'm going to apologize for my nails in case you're new here and missed the other 2 videos. Whoops, sorry about that. Bumping the tripod too. Because I removed my nail polish and I'm letting my nails breathe because they were yellow. The nail polish stained my nails. And I'm sure if you guys watched the other 2 videos, you're probably tired of hearing about my nails, but anyway, so she came with a little sticker that you can put on your logbook or the side of the box. Let's take a look at the kit that comes with. So whenever you guys order a diamond painting, it usually comes, or it always comes. Usually, I guess. Custom ones may not, but they usually, whoops, is there a multi-placer? Oh, there it is. It fell out again. So they usually come with a toolkit so that you have everything you need to do your diamond painting. You've got your drill pen. You have a squishy to put on the drill pen. That keeps it from hurting your fingers as much. You have a multi-placer to put more than one drill at a time. You've got baggies to kit up. Oops, they're so slippery. I'm trying not to drop them. And then you've got a drill tray and you've got your little wax, your heart wax that you apply the drills with. All right. And I am also now a Diamond Art Club affiliate, so I'll have the links down below in case you guys want to go and check it out and order any. For first timers, I think you get a discount. Well, actually, you pretty much always get a discount because even after you order, they will send you coupon codes each time that you get a package. Each time you order, you'll get a coupon. So that way you can save the next time you order too. Let's go ahead and get the drills out first. And take a look. Oh, isn't she cute? So you get a big sticker. Oh, that's really cool because I didn't mention this, I don't think, in the other two videos that I just did, but you can put the start date, the end date, so you can keep this in your logbook. And then you've got your legend with all the codes and the symbols that you need. You've got DMC codes, and they're already pre-perforated, so you just peel them off and stick them on your containers or your baggies or however you're gonna kit up. It makes it a lot easier, then you don't have to cut them yourself. We have an instruction kit, or not, it's not a kit, instruction pamphlet, and the drills. Well, let's take a look at the drills. Oh, I already see a pretty purple. Like I said, purple's my favorite color. Wow, more purple. Ah! Guys, I'm going to have so much fun working on this one because it's just so fun to work on pretty colors. So let's start on this end. So we've got lots of purple. Ooh. And pinks. Wow, look at all the more purple. I'm just watching through the camera lens, so I don't see which color's coming next. Oh, lots of pinks and purples and blue. Oh, look at that one. That's like really sparkly. It's not an AB, but it's just looks really sparkly. Oh, now this one is an AB. There's another, like in my Wisdom that I just unboxed. That one also had a white AB. Look at all the colors sparkly in that. Iridescent. And AB stands for Aurora Borealis, if you guys are new here. If you're new to diamond painting. Beautiful colors. Look at those. Is that purple? It is. It's like a really deep purple. And that is almost like a midnight blue. And some really pale purples. I just like all shades of purple. Those are gorgeous. And I don't really see any trash in these, do you? Look how nice these drills are. These are super nice. Okay, we have one more strip to look at, and then we'll take a look at the diamond painting, the canvas. Oops, somebody, is that one? Looks like one got stuck in the middle. Maybe. Oh yeah. Oops, I'm off camera. Look, that guy got stuck in the middle. More pinks and purples. That's almost like a salmon color. I really like that. Like a raspberry almost. Sort of a cobalt blue. I really love these peachy pink colors. or like I said, like salmon or papaya or something like that, right? Wow, nice. I love that purple. Oh, I love that purple. This is like one of my favorite purples. It's almost like a grapple. I call it a grapple, sort of a grayish purple. Another pretty color. And then the minty colors. Wow, guys, this has so many beautiful colors. Oh, there's another AB. And that one is it looks like a very, very pale pink. But you can really see the iridescence in that one. Look at all the colors. All right, now to look at the canvas. This one isn't as big, I don't think. Bigger than Chupa, but smaller than Wisdom. Oh, look at her. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, and there's the green. Whoops. That's where the greens are going to go. I think it's kind of like is it supposed to be like a turtleneck? Yeah, let's see. Let's take a look really quick at what the picture's supposed to look like. Yeah, it's almost like she's got like a little sweater turtleneck on underneath. Oh, sorry guys, I just put my hand on the mic. I had to cough. I hope that wasn't too loud. But let's take a look a little bit closer. This one's got 37 colors. And it says, do what makes you sparkle. I love the little heart on her cheek. That's really cute. And purple lips, purple hair. And the green just really goes with that because I think purple and green is like one of the best combinations. I really love it. She's so cute. Cannot wait to do her. And like I said, she reminds me of one of my BJD dolls, my ball jointed dolls. So you know what? When I work on her, guys, when I start working on her, I will show you that doll. And you'll see the comparison because I think they really resemble each other. So this could be her. This could be my doll. But that's it, guys. That is a wrap on the 3-part unboxing of my Diamond Art Club. So like I said, go take a look at the other 2 videos if you missed those to see Chupa and Wisdom. This one is called Sweet Purple, and it's Chibimica Art. Wow, my dog wanted to say goodbye. Didn't make it through the video. Didn't make it through the video without him barking. At least I got through the first 2 without him barking. That said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I think he needs to go outside, or he heard something. I think he heard the neighbors. But I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you again in the next video. Hopefully it won't be too long. Bye. Have a great day.